Hi. In this video, we're gonna talk about calibration curves, and we're gonna do it on the Shimadzu Lab Solutions software. This is gonna help somebody, some poor grad student who lives off of seminar free pizza. This is for you. Let's get into it. So first, let's open up a data file. So let's go to main, PDA data analysis. Let's select this PDA cal. This is the first point of the calibration curve, okay? So let's assume we had no compound table here. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go to this wizard. This is the fastest way. Obviously you could do things piecemeal, but if you do the wizard, it kind of takes you through the whole process. So this will help you create a compound table. So the first page are the definitions of how you define a peak. The next page, you can select your peaks. So you want to take a look at the area and the height here. So, you know, if they have large area and large heights, those are probably real peaks. And if it's really small, it's probably just some junk or noise, unless you know there's a peak there. Let's pick our peaks. There's 4 peaks here in this method. We're going to do a 4-point cal curve. So we're going to put 4 there, external standards. We're going to create it based off of external standards. And then this last page is based on how you identify peaks. Next. Okay, now this is our compound table. Let's go ahead and name the compounds. Let's call the first peak compound A. I do not know how to spell. And let's click finish. Let's go ahead and save the method. Save the data file, sure. Yeah, sure. Okay, so let's open up the method file now. File, save method as, and sure, we'll call this one, we'll overwrite the PDA cal method. Why not? Okay, sure. So now that we've created our compound table from our wizard, let's go ahead and do the cal curve in browser. Click on browser, and let's open the method file that we were working on. So I had one for this video, hence PDA video cal method. Our compound table is there. Looking good. Okay, so let's go ahead and drag in the 4 cal points that I made. This is a single point cal curve, but if you wanted to do a multi-point cal curve, you can do that. Let's call these calc points. So it's standard calc point level 1, and then calc point level 4, okay? And you can see how the cal curve is building down here. See that? So now your cal curve is done. So this is great. Let's go ahead and just save that. So now that your whole calibration curve is done, just make sure you set the level. So this is, you know, the level of the calibration point. That's going to coincide with the concentrations here, and also that it is a calc point, so it's actually counting towards your calibration curve. So now that if we get a data file and you just simply drag it into there, boom, there's your concentration. So now that you found, so now that we've done the cal curve, I hope you found that helpful. Like, subscribe. I'll keep making more. We'll do more other instruments, other things. I help you. I'll help you. All right, see you next time. Enzo!